Welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. The story tonight is The Meeting of Starlight and Dreams. In a distant village, there lived a young boy named Jack. Jack was a curious child, deeply fascinated by the stars and the night sky. Every night, he would lie in his bed, gazing at the twinkling stars, filled with dreams. Jack's grandmother, a wise and warm-hearted woman, often joined him during these special moments. She told Jack that stars were distant worlds, each with a unique story. She encouraged Jack to believe in his dreams, for dreams were like stars. They never disappeared. One day, his grandmother told him a special story, one about the meeting of stars and dreams. Long, long ago, on a distant planet, there lived a girl named Unica. Unica lived in a world filled with radiance, where stars were alive. And she had a special friend, a star named Cindy. Cindy was the brightest star, possessing a unique power. Cindy told Unica that whenever someone made a beautiful wish on Earth, she would twinkle and convey that wish. Cindy loved helping people realize their dreams, believing it to be her purpose. Unica loved listening to wishes from Earth. She found people's desires to be beautiful and precious. However, one day, she heard an exceptionally special wish from a young boy named Jack. Jack's wish was to become an astronaut and explore the universe. Unica thought it was a great wish, but also knew that realizing such a dream required overcoming many challenges. She decided to visit Earth in person and help Jack fulfill his dream. Unica started her descent to Earth, and as she passed through the atmosphere, she shimmered with bright radiance like a shooting star. When she reached Jack's bedroom, he was lying in his bed, still gazing at the ceiling, dreaming of future adventures. In a gentle voice, Unica said to Jack, "Hello, Jack. I am Unica, and I come from a distant planet. I heard your wish and would like to help you make it come true." Jack was both surprised and excited, as he had never seen a star talk, let alone visit his bedroom. However, he realized that his dream might indeed come true. Unica explained her purpose and told Jack that realizing his dream wouldn't be an easy journey. She needed to help him learn science, mathematics, and cosmic knowledge, becoming his astronaut mentor. Jack eagerly agreed, and he and Unica embarked on an exciting adventure together. They studied, researched the universe, and simulated space flights. Jack discovered that Unica was not just a bright star, but also an excellent teacher and friend. Several years later, Jack's dream became a reality. He became an astronaut, and his space journeys were blessed with Unica's guidance and best wishes. Whenever he flew among the stars, he could see Cindy twinkling in the night sky, reminding him of the power of dreams. Upon returning to Earth, Jack became an inspiring space hero. He understood a profound lesson. Dreams are limitless, and as long as you believe and work hard, you can achieve anything. Jack returned to his grandmother's village, sharing his adventures and accomplishments with her. She smiled and told him, "Jack, the stars are always with us, conveying our dreams and hopes. Your story is proof that dreams can become a reality." Jack understood his grandmother's words, and he vowed to carry his dreams and hopes forever, continuing to strive and reach for more stars. This story tells us that dreams are powerful, and they can lead us to achieve the seemingly impossible. No matter how challenging, as long as we believe and put in the effort, we can become stars, shining in the night sky, bringing hope and inspiration to others. This philosophical bedtime story aims to encourage everyone, especially children, to believe in their dreams and work towards them. Because each star has its own unique story.